Hey you guys, I am fasting. I guess today I haven't ate, honestly. So I've just been drinking water. So I have another water and I'm gonna put lemon in it. And that's my grandmother talking in the background if you could hear her. Anyways, and I'm gonna make my spicy tuna. I have 3 packs here because I'm gonna feed my son as well. 17 grams of protein. Very, very good for learning. So children, they need like a ton of protein, okay? To focus on schoolwork. And I know right now it's a little hard. So we need, you know, brain food. Okay, so you see the avocado in my hand? And that's not going in here. I'm so sad. First time I've not had it with an avocado. It's scary in here. It's like a zombie. Okay, so that's out the picture. So I'm gonna incorporate all of this. This is the serrano. And this is the jalapeno, cilantro, limon, tomato. And oh yeah, also have this. And also corn. I have a taste for corn and tuna for some reason. I think because I'm really hungry. So cilantro, chile, and lime with the tuna mixture. And then I'm just gonna put in some tomatoes, like a handful. More. Okay, I'm gonna throw the rest of the chilies in there. So it's half a serrano and then a quarter of jalapeno. More lime. Mix it really good. You don't need any salt, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna put this much corn. Let's see. Yeah, that's a decent amount. More tomato. At this point, this is when you would put your sliced big chunks of avocado and just fold them in. The avocado would be the last thing that you would put in this mixture. Okay, so this is how I basically eat it. Is with tortilla chips or a tostada, which is basically the same thing, but it's not. Or some crackers. And it's super good. And so just and then I got my water that I squeezed lemon into. Usually I just put like a lemon slice and a cup with ice, but due to unfortunate circumstances of how we have to grocery shop and take care of our products when we get home, I just wash the lemon on the outside and just squeeze this juice on the inside. Yeah. So this is my seafood foil pack that I did on the grill. So scallops, I kind of like sear them on the grill after I took them off. And then I just have some garlic toast. And my grandma is super maxing on hers. Then I just grilled onions and extra pepper. This is my favorite for chili.
Oh, that's an onion, okay.
And yeah.